How to create a Fanbasis invoice. In this video, I'll show you how to create and send an invoice directly from Fanbasis.
So to get started, log into your Fanbasis account and go to the Billing tab. Click Create Invoice and enter your client's email and name. Then select the service or product they're paying for. Set the price, currency, and due date. You can also add notes like payment terms or a thank you message. Next, add taxes or fees if applicable. Under payment method, choose Stripe or PayPal, whichever you've connected. Now click Customize Invoice. Upload your logo and choose your font and layout colors. Preview to see how it looks, then hit Send. Your client will get the invoice via email with a direct payment button. Once paid, you'll be notified in your dashboard via email. Invoices are saved automatically under Transactions. You can resend, cancel, or mark as paid manually if needed. You can find the Transactions tab from your dashboard by clicking on this Transactions from the left side panel. You can resend, cancel, or mark as paid manually if needed. Export invoices as PDFs for bookkeeping or tax filing. Fan-basis invoices are clean, professionals, and fully trackable. Perfect for freelancers, creators, or anyone selling services. And that's how to make a fan-basis invoice.